everyone, it's Miss Velasco. It's December 6th, 2016, and tonight we're going to be looking at problem solving using big pictures and using equations. So our big picture that we're going to draw is our strip diagrams, and we've been working with those in class, so you should be somewhat familiar with them. The first problem we're going to look at is a book of poetry, actually two books of poetry. This is the unknown, right? This is the total number of pages in Jessica's poetry book. What we do know is that Deasia's poetry book has 212 fewer pages than Jessica's book. 212 fewer pages, less pages. We also know that Deasia's book has 684 pages in total. She loves to write poetry. So we need to figure out Jessica's book, how many pages it has. So we take this diagram, this strip diagram. It's 212 fewer pages, and then we're looking at the 684 pages that we know that her book has, and we're trying to figure out the total number of pages that Jessica's book has. So if you take the total number of pages in Deasia's book, and you add to that the fewer pages than Jessica's book, you will equal P, which is the total number of pages in Jessica's book. You know I don't like to add horizontally, so I have to do vertical adding. And I'm just going to use my little cloud off to the side to help me figure. So 4 plus 2, 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 896 pages is the total number of pages in Jessica's book. How do we know that? Because a portion of Jessica's, this illustration right here, a portion of that is the 684 pages that we know is the total number of pages from Deasia's book. And the 212 is the difference, is we know we were given that information that's how many fewer pages Deasia's book was than Jessica's. So if you add the shortfall and her total number of pages, you get 896. That's the total number of pages for Jessica's book. Okay, hope that makes sense. We're going to do one more. This one's going to be about food because it's dinner time and you know me and food. All right, same concept, strip diagram. All right, oops, it didn't go far enough. It's the whole distance. There we go. All right, so this one's about food. You know my favorite chocolate bar. I ate one on the way home. How many calories do you think that is? I don't know, let's take a guess. 560 calories. So this is what we know. We know that Miss V ate 560 calories before dinner. That can ruin a girl's appetite. All right, my total caloric intake, my total intake of calories since I had this candy bar and since I had dinner was 8,051 calories. So let's block off 560 because you know I had that before dinner. And by the time I was all done, just before I went to bed, that's how many calories I ate. I ate ice cream too for dessert. How many calories did I eat after that candy bar? So for dinner and dessert, how many calories? I'm going to put O for, no, we won't use O. Let's use C for calories consumed. We don't know what that is. From the time I ate that candy bar before dinner until I was ready to go to bed, I had 8,051 calories total. But we We know I ate 560 before dinner. How many did I have through dinner and dessert? This is the unknown. We have to solve for that. So we've got 560 plus some unknown amount, C, equals 8,051 calories. What is the goal of our equation? Get the variable alone. So we've got to move this 560 over to here. So in order to do that, we're going to take 560 away. Remember, I like to do it up and down, but the book isn't going to show you that way. So you need to be able to rewrite it horizontally and then think about it vertically. So 560 calories minus 560 calories. Why am I taking those away? Because I want to get C all by itself. Plus C is equal to 8,051 calories. And remember, if I do something to an equation on this side of the equal sign, then I have to do the same thing to the other side. So I have to take 560 away. These two are going to cancel each other out, and it's going to be 0. So I'm going to end up with C all by itself. I have to do this math vertically. 8,051 minus 560. 0 from 1 is 1, but now I've got to borrow. That becomes 79, and that becomes 15. 6 from 15, how much is that? 9. 5 from 9 is 4, and nothing from 7 is 7. So 7,491. 7,491. I had 7,491 calories for dinner and dessert after I had that first candy bar. That should help you a little bit with homework tonight. There's a couple of problems that are similar to these, and I hope that you have great success with this, and I'll see you on the I'll see you in F6. Okay, I'll see you soon.